for some number fun. You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
Let's make the number blocks. Hello, 1. Let's make number block 1.
What do we need?
We need 1 square body, 1 eye, 1 mouth, 2 legs and 2 arms. And of course, numbering 1.
How do we make one?
First, we make the body. The body is 1 red cube. Roll a large piece of Play-Doh compound into a ball, then push the Play-Doh compound down against the surface you're working on to make 4 flat sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flatten the top and the bottom to make a cube with 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we need 1 eye. The eye is made up of 2 different colours, white and black. Roll a small ball of white Play-Doh, then flatten it with your thumb. Then roll a smaller ball of black Play-Doh, flatten it, and press onto the middle of the white Play-Doh. 1 eye. Next, we need 1 mouth. To make the mouth, make a long snake out of the red Play-Doh compound. Fold it in half and pinch at both ends. There we have it, 1 mouth. Next, we need 2 legs. Take a medium-sized bit of Play-Doh and roll it into a snake. Cut the snake in half to make 2 snakes. There, 2 legs. 1, 2. Now for the arms. To make the arms, just repeat what you did for the legs. Roll your Play-Doh compound into a snake and cut in half. 2 arms. 1, 2. Finally, we need the numbering. Roll a small piece of black Play-Doh compound into a small snake for numbering 1. There, all the pieces we need for number block 1. 1 eye, 1 mouth, 2 legs, 2 arms, and a numbering 1. We put the eye on the front of the red cube. We put the mouth on just under the eye. We fix the arms to the left side and the right side of the cube. Then we fix the legs underneath. What are we missing? Oh yes, of course! Here she comes now! There we have it! Number 1. 1, 1, 1. 1 on her leg, 1 on her head. 1 is 1 block tall. 1 is 1 so small. 1 leap, 1 jump, 1 trip, 1 bump. Oh, 1. 1 Play-Doh number block 1.